Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John R. and I'm your instructor. In this video, I'd like to tell you about a personal experience that I think you can relate to. Have you ever had something in your life that made life a little sweeter, like that TV show on Thursday nights that you'd rush home to see, or that store that you could go into and actually touch real merchandise and try it on, or maybe it was that great shampoo you used to use. But then all of a sudden, it was gone. It disappeared, and you were never able to find an adequate replacement for it. And it could be devastating. Now, this happened to me. I had that experience with this book on Basic Wax Modeling by Hiroshi Tsuyuki of the Japan Jewelry Craft School. This book is great. It has tons of illustrations. Everything is stepped out. My students loved it. I loved it. But then one day, I was told it was out of print and I'd never see it again. So I was really disappointed until Artisan Ideas contacted the Online Jewelry Academy and said that they would be reprinting this book. Hallelujah. And they asked if we would do a review on it. And of course I said, yes, I love this book. It's amazing. If you are at the point where you're getting started in wax working and you're not quite sure how to deal with the wax, this is the book for you. It is laid out in a very logical way. The step outs are well photographed with very concise descriptions of what's going on in the photographs. And I'm sure that even without me there, you'll be just like my students and be able to work through your project and be a success with this book. Now, the one thing about this book that I don't really think is up to par is the very back section, which describes the lost wax casting process. But you know what? We've got a video on that, so you don't even need to really worry about that section. Otherwise, I would say this book is a winner, A+. Guess what? They sent me a second book entitled Practical Wax Modeling by Hiroshi Tsuyuki and Yoko Ohba of the Japan Jewelry Craft School. This book is a wonderful book as well. The difference between the two is that this book is for intermediate to advanced learners. And this book, unlike the first one, focuses not only on harder waxes and how to model them, but it gets into how to work with soft waxes, ways in which that you can mold them, and it talks about the actual lost wax casting process in detail. So I highly recommend both of these books for your jewelry library. And there's a link for both of them in the description to this video. I hope you liked this video. Remember, we've got plenty more like it on onlinejewelryacademy.com, and we regularly post to Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.